Hi Hari, today we are going to draw the flag of Taiwan. You can see it has a total rectangular area and the rectangle here, the round surface here, it looks like a sun, and we are going to put the dark blue color here. Okay. You can see the dark blue color. Okay, after filling up, let's do the details with the pencil of another type pencil. Okay. Alright, now you can see the symbol is visible. Now we're going to put the red color around the other spaces. Okay, let's put the color uniformly, as uniform as possible. Okay, so it's a pure red color and a pure blue color, and the sun is shining here. I hope you like the video, the flag of Taiwan. Alright, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.